Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video we're going to talk about the Dollar General and the best use with the 5 off of 25 with Cottonelle on Saturday. So for this specific video, we're talking about this deal for Saturday the 30th only. There's a lot going on over at the Dollar General this week, and I know a lot of you are just loyal to shopping at pharmacies, but man, if you can head out there, there's a lot of moving pieces and a lot of amazing deals. Specifically with this coupon, there were digital alternatives the last 2 weeks it was valid, but if you might have received this one from the Smart Source of January the 17th, there's the dollar for the Cottonelle or either a 50 cent or a dollar from the Scott. Make a deal happen. These are valid until the middle of February, and I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm just not confident about toilet paper after what we went through last year. Whenever I see a deal for this, I want it. So I know a lot of you are in the same boat, so we're going to talk about the mechanics of a deal for this. Now, also, between Friday and Sunday, merchandise that's in their clearance section will be an additional 50% off. Boom. I mean, this is just like Christmas and your birthday and the day you got your driver's license when you were 16 rolled into one. It's fantastic. Pairing it with coupons, there's going to be so many freebies. I have a video. I'll link it in the notes and at the end if you want to check it out. But this is just my favorite. On the Saturday the 30th, if you wanted to get some clearance merch to get you towards that $25 mark, you can also do that. And I also made this video, and it's only until Saturday the 29th because they changed the store coupon where it will expire on the Friday, not the Saturday. But there's still an opportunity to get some very inexpensive Gain products if that's your thing. And also at the balance of this video, I have a couple matchups for the Saturday 5 off of 25 with a couple Gain products. So I know a lot of you are Gain loyal. You might want to check out that matchup at the very end if you want to get just a general basket with some Gain detergent. Okay, so again, we're on a Saturday deal, so this is for the 30th only. All digital coupons are of a one-time use, one per store card, so make sure you have the following loaded, which include the first one, which is the 5 off of 25. Now, the next item that we're going to grab is 3 of the Cottonelle for $5. So hopefully you could track down 3 of them at your store. I've been finding quite a few actually lately. And they have this promotion of save $3 instantly when you buy $15, and these $5 packs are part of it as well. Now, from the Smart Source of January the 17th, we're going to need 3 of these. And there's no verbiage saying, only 1 coupon per transaction. You can use more than 1 per transaction. And then we're also going to grab one of these Schick razors for $4. Little price cut on that. So you can either go with the Schick Classic for the ladies or the men. So either or, whichever one you want. And as you can see, they are tagged for $4, and this is taking place right till the 13th. So how wonderful is that? And then guys, the digital coupon that you need for this little guy is this, which is a $3 off. So at the very least, just load it because it's such a fantastic little filler item. And then we're also going to grab 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps for $3 on the nose. And these are the massive containers. You always need a little bit of extra dish soap. And as you can see, they're on this promotion of buy one, get one free with the digital manufacturer coupon. And then just to show you, yes, this is in fact a manufacturer. It's not a store coupon. So you're going to have to load this guy. And then whichever Snuggle product you want, this fabric softener liquid for $3.95, or alternatively the dryer sheets, and these are very strong, and these are $3.95, and this promotion is this week only. We have a $2 digital to accompany this to drop it down to $1.95, and this is what the digital coupon looks like, so please make sure you have this one loaded as well. Okay, so looking at this, there's always a thing like punching your phone number at the end, at the beginning. I've been doing so many different variations of when to punch in my phone number. It really doesn't make a difference. So I would do it right away. Get the cashier to scan all the products. So the cashier will scan the 3 Cottonelles. It's $15. And then automatically there, the $3 of instant savings will come off. You don't have to present or load a coupon for that. It's just instant savings. The one $4 Schick Classic for $4, the two Palmolives for $6, they're $3 a pop, and the one Snuggle product for $3.95. So after the instant savings on the toilet paper, the total here is $25.95. You will present three $1 coupons from your Smart Source of January the 17th, shaving $3 off right there. Then the cashier will press the final pay button. 5 off of 25 Saturday, and then $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous are also coming off. You're left with paying $9.95 out of pocket plus your tax. It shakes each product out to $1.42. Let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for more points, because Cottonelle is part of their catalog. You will get back extra points for this purchase. Now, if you do not have those dollar Cottonelle products, reworking the math, it would be $12.95 plus your tax, shaking out each product to $1.85 each. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch app too for extra points, but $1.85 for those 12 packs of the toilet paper and everything else, I think is just a fabulous price point. Okay, guys, so before I take off, I just wanted to show you a couple receipts because, yes, I was out and about last weekend. I think I made a video and then I had this on my Instagram as well. If you want to follow my Instagram, it'll be linked in the notes as well, because I can put information out there a lot faster than making a video here on YouTube. But I always try to get my baskets down to, like, $5 or less, because that's my happy spot. And I got this basket down to $2.05 using both paper and digital coupons. I mean, it's just such a wonderful balance. And I absolutely love, like, Dollar General weekends where you could score a couple baskets and get like $50 of merchandise for like $3 or $4. This one was $1.78. And yeah, I am really stockpiling toilet paper, even in dribs and drabs, because I think it's such an important thing to have in your stockpile, especially after last year. I think I will be forever changed about toilet paper. I always want all of it. And for a lot of you who might be kind of just not sure about the Dollar General clearance event, again, watch the video that I made. I will link it here at the end and in the notes. It's such a terrific event, guys, where you can get so many freebies. I would recommend to get out to your store before Friday and walk around the clearance section, see if they're staging tables for stuff. Maybe even ask a manager or a sales associate, are you guys having the sales event this Friday or this weekend? And they'll be able to let you know either way. But I think it's just one of those things that you're going to see a lot of posts, especially if you're on Instagram, about the sale, because when you can get a huge amount of stuff for like a couple dollars for like a huge basket of stuff, and that's a lot of these hauls from this sale. I mean, that is the magic and what extreme couponing is all about. And this only happens a couple times a year, like maybe 3 or 4 times a year. So it's like rare, but when it happens, a lot of us go really hard. This video that I have is very decisive, where it has basics 1-by-1 steps and how to have the most amount of success, along with digital coupons that you should be putting on your store card now. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.